Lola, this song is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday po, Lola. Wish you all the best. I wish for you is to stay healthy, celebrating your birthday this month. I hope you will be surrounded by your loved ones and continue to inspire us with your wisdom and grace, and showing our love and respect to your blessings. Again, happy birthday po, dear Lola. Minamahal, Jade Siler.
Happy birthday, La.
Happy birthday, La.
Happy birthday, Ma. God bless. We love you.
We love you, La.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ma. Kae mo. Yan nga September 19. Tagang kalan maupay nga panlawas. Hindi rin magkasakit. Bisan ko nuray kwarta. Happy birthday. Nga halaba nga happy birthday.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Ma. Kasi gabi man niya. Nga pala, happy 84th birthday sa iyo. Sana bigyan ka pa ng kuwan, lawig nga kinabuhi, tagaan kan maupay nga panlawas, ampo kita, aton kaupayan, aton pamilya. Pasensya na kung waray ako maihatag ka imong regalo. Sana may makahatag ha akong bisan usa lang nga anak nga dai mo pang birthday nimo. Happy birthday uli, Ma. I love you. Bye.
Hi pa, happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. Na-miss ko yung banding nating coffee. Maraming salamat sa lahat. At marami kami. Almost nakapag-abroad kami. Except kay Kuya Dan. Pero thank you. Maabot ka ng 84 years. Thanks God. Ayoko umiyak. Maga pa lang dito sa Cyprus eh. Basta happy kami ng mga anak mo. Pero mata ko lapit na tumulo. Pero I love you, Ma. We love you. Thanks for everything. I wish all the best. Good health. That's it. I love you. Mwah. I miss you.
Hi, Ma. In Spanish is Buenos Dias. In Greek is Kalimera. In Russian, Dobry Otra. Ora, mother. Now, happy 84th birthday, Mother. My lovely mother, and I know you have a lot of sacrifice for us. Thank you for everything that you've done for us, Mother, and to all your sacrifice. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday. Ciao. In Italian yan. Ciao.
Happy birthday, Lola! We love you!
Go.
Okay, good evening. So, ngayong gabi, gusto po namin i-greet yung pinakamagandang lola namin sa buong mundo. Si Lola Constancia Mahinay. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lola.
This coming September 19. So, sana po maging malakas lagi yung pangangatawan mo. Mahabang buhay pa po ang lumating sa iyo. More birthdays to come po, Lola. Sana maging masaya ka, maging safe lagi lahat. Maging maganda po yung pangangatawan. Once again, happy birthday, Lola. Ano na lang, ang gift namin pagdating ng birthday mo. Ingat lagi, Lola. We love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola Kulus! Your stories,
Your laughter,
and your love have created the most beautiful memories in our hearts. More birthdays to come. See you soon. We miss you. We love you.
We love you.
Bye bye.
Birthday, Lola. I love you.